Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to talk to you about the relationship between lemon consumption and blood sugar. Many people want to know what role lemon plays in relation to blood sugar, especially people who have diabetes, prediabetes, people who want to lose weight or improve their metabolic health. You're going to love this. I'll even give you some tips on how to add lemon to your daily routine more effectively. Stay until the end because you won't want to miss it. If you love tips on nutrition, health, and fitness, you're going to love this channel. Go ahead and subscribe. Remember to turn on the notification bell to get updates. I have new videos every day. You're going to love it. I don't know if you've seen it yet, but I have a series here on the channel talking about foods and their relationship with blood sugar. I have videos talking about eggs and blood sugar, rice and blood sugar, flour and blood sugar, several other foods as well. I'll leave some of them down below in the description for you. Let me know if there's any food you'd like to know about in relation to blood sugar, and I'll come back and make a video like that for you. And if you like these videos that help you better control your blood sugar, give this video a like so I'll know you enjoyed it and I'll make more videos like this. Lemon ends up being a very nutritious fruit for us to add to our daily routine. Even though it's low in calories, it brings a lot of extremely healthy nutrients to our health. I'll talk more about that here for you, and it turns out to be an excellent addition for those living with diabetes. Because lemon by itself has few calories, little natural sugar, and few carbohydrates. So yes, it is a low-carb fruit and can be included in the diet of those living with diabetes. One of the great benefits of lemon is that it has a low glycemic index. As I mentioned, it has few carbohydrates, a lot of fiber in its composition, and ends up having few net carbs. Even if you only consume the juice of the lemon, squeezing it into a glass and adding a bit of water, that liquid contains little carbohydrate, so it won't have much impact on your blood sugar. So if you want to replace any drink you usually have at lunch, for example, a soda or a juice with lemonade, because pure lemon is too strong for anyone, it really has to be diluted. Lemon juice diluted in water. And you can add a few drops of your preferred non-caloric sweetener. This will help you better control your blood sugar levels. Another really cool detail, as I mentioned, is that lemon is super rich in fiber. These fibers are soluble and are mainly found in the white part of the lemon. In other words, if you can use the whole lemon to make your lemonade, it will be even healthier for you, because you'll be adding more fiber to your diet, which will help control even the glycemic load of your meal. To use the whole lemon to make lemonade, you're going to need to cut the lemon into quarters. Put it in a blender with plenty of water. Usually 1/4 cups of water for one lemon, since it gets very strong because of the peel, and then you sweeten it afterward with the sweetener of your choice. If you want to control your blood sugar, you shouldn't add sugar. And don't strain it. Blend it thoroughly until it's well mixed, and don't strain it, then serve. Ideally, you should drink this lemonade right after you prepare it so it doesn't oxidize and you don't lose the vitamin C, which is also very beneficial. Precisely because the third benefit comes largely from the antioxidants naturally present in lemons. Lemons have a very high concentration of vitamin C, and we know that antioxidants are extremely important for anyone with any type of chronic disease. Diabetes is a type of chronic disease, and people living with diabetes are at greater risk of developing problems related to the excessive production of free radicals caused by hyperglycemia. So consuming vitamin C, which is a natural and inexpensive antioxidant, helps a lot in preventing problems. Of course, along with that, you need to have a balanced diet, exercise, see your doctor, and take the medications prescribed. All of this will contribute to better blood sugar control. Another very interesting thing is that the citric acid naturally found in lemons can help improve insulin response, can help increase insulin sensitivity, which also helps improve diabetes or blood sugar control. Because the more sensitive you are to insulin, the less insulin you need to secrete, so you will have fewer insulin spikes, which helps with blood sugar control. Because when you have an insulin spike, you end up having a sudden drop afterward that causes hunger, hypoglycemia, discomfort, and then you get that urge to eat, your blood sugar can go up again, and it becomes a roller coaster. The more stable your blood sugar levels are throughout the day, the better it will be for you, whether you have high blood sugar, diabetes, or if you want to lose weight. So this issue of citric acid is also very interesting, as well as the way it can help with insulin sensitivity. Another very interesting thing is that lemon, despite being an acidic food, actually has an alkalizing effect on our body. And some studies have already found that a more alkaline environment can also help with metabolic processes. Another very interesting thing is that usually people have the habit of drinking lemonade, lemon water, or lemon tea. So with that, you also end up increasing the body's hydration. The more hydrated a person is, the better their blood sugar levels are. I even have a video here specifically talking about the relationship between water intake and blood sugar control, because it really makes perfect sense to stay well hydrated if you want to control your blood sugar levels. If you want to know more about this, I'll leave it down below in the description for you. Remember that adding lemon can be in the form of lemonade, as I mentioned before, or you can make lemon tea, which I also gave as an example. To prepare the tea, you can slice some lemons with the peel and all, add boiling water, wait a few minutes, and it will turn out delicious. You can make flavored water with lemon by adding a few slices of lemon, parsley, ginger, cucumber, whatever you like, even berries. And you can drink it throughout the day. You fill up a bottle and keep it in the fridge, drinking it over the course of the day, which also really helps with hydration. You can use lemon in salad dressings, make lemon-based desserts, use it to season chicken or vegetables. Lemon is very versatile. It works well in both sweet and savory dishes and fits perfectly into our diet. Remember that I even have a playlist of lemon recipes here on the channel that can inspire you, and my recipes are sugar-free, so I'm sure you'll love them. Tell me which type of lemon you use the most in your cooking and drinks. And remember, using lime can also be a possibility to add some variety to your daily flavors. Which lemon is most present in your daily life? I'd love to read your comment. Remember to like the video because that way I'll know you enjoyed it, and it also helps me out. Share the video with anyone who needs it, with anyone who likes this topic. Let's expand this chain of good together. That's what I want here on the channel. See you next time. Bye.